So this is the 8th floor. It's a little different. Sizes are bigger. Tiles need plastic removed also. Okay. The whole floor needs to work. Wooden floor. It's dust. Tile bathroom. Tile bathroom. Okay. Tile, there's some residue. Okay. Alright. 2 bedrooms. 2 huge bedrooms. Alright. Windows outside. Master bathroom. Jacuzzi size. Jacuzzi size. Tiles. Master bedroom tiles does not need plastic removed. Okay. Alright, surfaces. Okay. Alright, moderate surfaces. Wooden floor. Okay. It's the 8th floor. And we come. That's 8B. This is 8A. Sharing a corridor. Same size as it's on the other side. This is 8A. Tiles does not need plastic removed. Tiles do not need plastic removed. Fixtures coming in. Plastic off surfaces. Floor grout. Discoloration. Same 2. Same over here, closet, another closet, small bathroom, main bathroom, same as 2, as 8B, and there's an extra room in 8A. So Penthouse 8A has an extra room. Penthouse 8B does not. So 3 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. In 8A, 3 baths. At least you can flush it. God damn, what's wrong with you? Man, water on here. It's crazy. Smells bad. Okay. This goes outside. This elevator coming down. Stairway. Entrance to 8A. Double check 8B to be sure that it has just 2 bathrooms. So 8, small bedroom, master bedroom, Nothing there, nothing here. Just the bathroom. Okay. Just the bathroom.